Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we'll be doing another experiment. So we have vinegar, baking soda, food color. We have green, yellow. It doesn't look like yellow, but it's yellow. Blue, red, a spoon, a glass cup, plastic cup, and a glass cup. So let's get started.
We have a spoon.
Okay guys, so we're gonna pour some vinegar in both of the plastic cups.
So, I was about to say paper.
I'm going to pour it to right the first line right there in both of the cups. So it's gonna be hard. I'm scared because
It's gonna waste.
okay guys, so I poured the vinegar in the cup. It's
now
to the line, kind of, I guess. And in both of them. So now we're gonna take the baking soda and pour it into the
Glass cups.
glass cups, yeah. And we're gonna need a spoon for this. So
pour it.
I don't know how much we'll pour.
Oh,
It's okay if it's Okay, so guys, we need 2 spoonfuls.
that's gonna be hard, guys. Oh,
It's getting everywhere. Okay, I guess that's a spoonful.
okay, that's the last.
Okay, that's a spoonful, and
pour this.
almost there. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, there. Okay, guys, so we're gonna pick a color and pick it. If you want it, and I'll pick blue. As I saw on the video that we actually had to put 3 drops of it. I can't open mine. So guys, so we're gonna put 3 drops, and then we're gonna pick our second color.
I do mine.
So I would just put this right here, and he's using yellow. I'm gonna use red.
When I get it on my hands and I wash my hands.
So 3 drops still.
Look at those look slushy.
There. 3 drops of each. Now mine look like I'm
Okay, I got 2. I got 2 in there.
Blue and a red.
Okay, Mama, I got 2 in my cup. Got 2 colors. Now
I
want to get blue.
Okay, so I'm gonna use green. One. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna put some vinegar in. I think, yeah, this one. And then
I think it's
gonna
gonna
put the vinegar in. We're gonna put the water in. Wait, no, that's vinegar. Okay, so we're gonna put it in. See how it does? It's like so cool. Oh, it's exploding.
Bro,
It's exploded. It overflowed. So his
it's flow. No, mine
his didn't flow. Mine did.
Mama, can I?
Stir it up.
Okay,
I do
now we're gonna
another-
stir it up.
Can I
Stir
do
it up.
another?
We're gonna stir the baking soda.
Mine is full, so I have to get another spoon coloring.
Okay.
So mine is like a bluish color. I like it.
This is like the people that made it on commercial. Somebody was green. I need more vinegar now. I need more
Okay, so
vinegar now.
that's good enough. So
I need more vinegar.
I need to
now.
clean this mess up. So
I need more
fix it and
vinegar
clean it
now.
up later. And I really like how it turned out.
I need
So,
more vinegar.
I really like how it kind of exploded, kind of. It didn't do it, but I really like how it turned out. So, this is another video, guys. And
Mama,
I hope you had fun watching it. Like, subscribe, and please, 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 please comment what we should do next, because I'm running out of ideas. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.